Hey team, welcome back as we make our way through our 9-pod layout here in the DealerOn CMS. Now the next thing we'll be talking about is the inventory tool in the bottom left here of our 9-pod layout. Now, of course, you guys will have an inventory manager that you're going to be working with. And typically those feeds will push over on average, depending on who you're going to be using, anywhere from 1, 3, maybe 6 times a day at best. Now, with that being said, we do have the inventory tool over here of where we can actually make quick edits to a specific vehicle. So if we go ahead and give a click here, it's going to open up in a new window, and we'll go ahead and make this full screen. And we'll have 3 main categories of where we can actually edit vehicle info. So jump back in here. And as it pulls up all of our inventory, we'll see stock or VIN in the upper left here. Now, if we go ahead and plug in that specific stock number or VIN that we are looking to edit, and plug it in, then our specific vehicle will pop up here. Now at the top, we have a Ford Focus. I'm just going to go ahead and edit this vehicle. On the left side here, we're going to see this pencil icon. If we go ahead and give that a click, it'll open up 3 main categories where we can edit this vehicle information. Our vehicle info, which hopefully you never have to mess with that, our vehicle pricing, and our vehicle photos. As well, we're going to see display on site. Now, if this was a vehicle that we needed to remove from the site immediately, we go ahead, uncheck this box, and we're going to click Save Changes. There's no need for reset cache at this point. As soon as we click Save Changes, it should remove the vehicle immediately from the site. We'll go ahead and turn this back on. If we need to edit the vehicle pricing, we'll come over here and jump in. And we will see that with this vehicle is currently listed at $45,900. Now, for whatever reason, maybe the pricing was incorrect, or maybe it was a used vehicle. We need to go ahead and make a couple tweaks on it. Drop it by 2,000, increase it by 2,000, whatever the reason may be. From there, we can go ahead and do that. So let's say we made a change. And we go ahead and click Save Prices. Now you're going to see lock status, and that's going to be this button right here. Now, if you're familiar with a tool like this, if a vehicle is unlocked, that'll mean the next time that feed comes over, it'll update appropriately to whatever's actually in the feed. If we do not want that happening, and let's say we drop this vehicle by $2,000, and we didn't want this vehicle returning to its normal price until tomorrow, we can set a lock until it expires tomorrow, the 3rd. Maybe we want it to expire next week, whatever the reason may be. We can go ahead and do that. That will not allow the vehicle to be overridden in the feed as it comes through. Now, keep in mind, if this vehicle does sell, let's say it sells this afternoon, we have an expiration on it for next week. Our system will recognize that, and when that feed comes through and that vehicle is missing, it'll automatically remove it from the site. Now, as well, we have vehicle photos at the top here. Now, we have an overlay image in the first spot. If this overlay image was located in the 3rd spot, shouldn't be. It should be in the 1st. You just saw how easy it was for me to just simply click and drag and move that around. At the same time, if we had vehicles showing up in the vehicle photos that we're not supposed to be there, let's say we had a red F-150, we just simply go ahead and click the red X, and that is going to remove those photos from the site. Click Save, of course, and to push it over, and you guys will be good to go.